The question 1.319 from Eurodoc, and in this question it is given that a wide cylindrical vessel of 50 cm in height is filled with water and rests on a table. Assuming the viscosity to be negligible, find at what height from the bottom of the vessel a small hole should be perforated for the water jet coming out it to hit the surface of the table at the maximum distance L max from the vessel. Find L max. So this is our corresponding diagram of the figure. Now let this the vessel, and this vessel is placed on a table, and the height of the vessel is h, and a hole is placed at a height small h from the surface of the table, and let v is the velocity of a flask. Now we have to find the range of this fluid jet. Now as we know, velocity of a flask VE is equal to under root 2g capital H minus small h. Now the time taken, now height is given as h equal to half gt square. So from this equation we can find the time. So t square t equal to under root 2h divided by g. Now range of this fluid jet R will be equal to VE, means velocity of a flux, multiplied by time taken. So our range of fluid jet will be under root 2g capital H minus small h multiplied by under root 2 small h divided by g. So this range of the fluid jet will become under root 2g into capital H minus small h multiplied by 2h divided by g. This g and g will cancel out. So after cancelling, our range of fluid jet will become under root 4 times capital H small h minus small h square. For the range of this fluid jet to be maxima or minimum, or the derivative of this range will be equal to 0. Now r square is equal to 4 times capital H small h minus small h square. R to be maxima or minima, R to be maximum, dr square with respect to dh will be equal to 0. So if we fulfill this condition, then we will get d of r square with respect to dh, that will be equal to dh of 4 times capital H small h minus small h square. So our d capital R square divided by with respect to dh will become 4 into capital H, and dh with respect to dh will be equal to 1 minus 2 small h. Now for maxima or minima, d r square with respect to dh will be 0. So if you put this dr square with respect to dh equal to 0, then our term will become 4 into h minus 2h will be equal to 0. So from this equation we can find 2h equal to capital H. So our required height is h equal to small h equal to capital H divided by 2. Now we'll substitute the value of small h in this equation. Let this is our equation number This is our equation number 1. Equation number 1, and this is our equation number 2. So if you substitute the value of a small h into equation number 1, then our required R maximum, R max, will be equal to under root 4 into capital H into capital H divided by 2 minus capital H square divided by 4, which will be equal to under root 4 into H square divided by 2 minus H square divided by 4. So that will be equal to R max, or maximum range. R max will be under root 4 into H square divided by 4. So ultimately our maximum range, R max, becomes equal to H. So this is our required maximum range for the fluid jet. This is the maximum range for fluid jet. Fluid jet.